For Chris, Kathy, Sarah Grace, and Chase Akins, we have their new amazing Akins Ford Bronco Apex Edition in Outer Banks form, looking amazing in iconic silver. Sarah Grace's Jeep Wrangler Apex Edition is right here next door in the Sahara package, and two amazing renditions side by side. I had the opportunity this morning to showcase both of these to you, and what two phenomenal SUVs, y'all. Let me know what you think right off the rip. Let me know, are you Jeep or are you Bronco? You know the Bronco does not offer painted to match hardtop, but Sahara does, so we ordered this one for the Akins family. They ordered it for themselves, honestly, y'all, but did lots of great customizations, did paint those caps there, door handles, and other components on this one to make it flow even better, because you had black and black there. But then when the Bronco arrived, Chris and I knew that we had to do a lot of custom action on this one as well to bring it to the forefront. So did hard top, that was that Mick gray color. Just was nice. It was okay. It was okay. Let's be honest. I was not mad about it at all. But of course, obviously, taking it next level like this fashion here at Wild Willies is the way to go. Iconic silver on the top. We're going to add even more stuff to this one, like some of these other parts that we're still going to paint. We have more stuff to add, but just wanted to bring you another side-by-side rendition of Bronco versus Wrangler. The iconic silver is a little bit lighter of a color compared to the silver from the Jeep platform, but up front, the iconic Bronco grille with the LED daytime surround there running through. We're going to add the Oracle lights behind those letters there too, so that's to come, along with a camera relocation bracket. There is several manufacturers now that make a relocation bracket for that, so that's going to be located on the front bull bar, which enabled us to incorporate Addictive Desert design front bumper. Addictive Desert design to me looks the most premium, but while also maintaining a luxury overall feel to it. Doesn't protrude out too much, has a nice way to accommodate a Warren Xeon 8,000 pound winch with synthetic rope, looking amazing. Got the ADD fairlead as well, with a nice 20-inch rigid light bar, putting out so much ample light right there. Painted to match well, that was that texture black, so definitely we painted that to match, which made a huge difference. You have another rendition of the Addictive Desert design bumper here on the front of the Wrangler, painted that one to match as well. Y'all can't tell me that painting those components don't make a huge difference. We are on a 3.5-inch Ready Lift Falcon lift kit on this one, with Falcon shocks all the way around, Falcon steering stabilizer. We have the fuel crush wheel in 20x9. We have 35-inch Toyo Open Country AT3 tires. So we've got an all-terrain tire that gives you great mileage. We have a great looking fuel crush wheel with that silver and gloss black to match. The Weston HTX side step bars are a favorite for sure. And then you know we had this roll with the bumper out back just like it. Addictive Desert design with a TerraFlex spare tire carrier. I love on the Jeep platform those. The way it incorporates the third brake light there ever so nicely. Rigid D-Series rolling with it. Just this Jeep right here is unbelievable. We have another unbelievable platform for the Akins family in the Bronco form. The fuel covert wheel, again, a nice Addictive Desert design bumper painted to match out back, with the Outer Banks that already had painted flares, handles, and mirror caps. So that was very nice. We're on a 3-inch lift on this one, so just a 1/2 inch difference in overall height. So both of them sit and ride and feel very similar as far as the overall size. We are on the new Toyo Open Country RT Trail. So they took the RT, which is similar to the Ridge Grappler, and that same hybrid tire platform, and the RT Trail just adds on what is a more modern hybrid tire from Toyo, with a more aggressive sidewall and a more ridge-like tread pattern there. Great experience with that one. I know it. Again, Weston HTX side step bars, Bronco retro script, money, rigid 360 lights in the 4-inch form, money. Love the Morimoto bracket too, money, nice and clean for a single application there. Now, how about them dogs, baby? How about them dogs? We're going to the natty. You know, Real Deal's going. You know, the Akins are going. We got to do this. We got to finish. A beautiful two-tone interior, looking amazing on the Outer Banks platform. Big 12-inch touchscreen. You got so much premium feel. You got a very obviously rugged feel at the same time, but this color on the inside with the silver, ooh, yes, it works and it hits, y'all. Phenomenal. Which one do you like better? We got Akins Ford Bronco Apex Edition 3-inch lifted on 35s, and we have another Jeep Wrangler Apex Edition 3.5-inch lifted on 35s as well. There is no wrong answer here. Both of them look phenomenal. You got Bronco versus Jeep. I'm gonna leave it up to you. That's like Chevy versus Ford, and etc. Y'all. You know your boy is leading here. The ride quality on these are definitely, with the independent front suspension, makes a huge difference. So your boy's leaning here because this is much like the wifey's, and I love it. But Sarah Grace's ride is phenomenal too. One of the baddest Jeeps we've done here, and I've seen. Both are truly amazing. That silver makes it look that much more elegant. For Neal Nsheppard here at Willies Custom Accessories in Akins Ford in Winder, Georgia, we are out. Peace out.